Hi friends, I am Tilak, you watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to place or how to insert the video inside the text in your Canva. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to place a video inside the text in Canva, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, I just open it. Then don't go inside the text. So it's need another thing. You just need to go to the elements. So here you just scroll down, you will see an option called frames. Just click and see all. Here you just type what the text that you want. For an example, here I just going to type as top. So T. Okay, so just type as T. You can see a T text. So first place here, then O. Okay, so I just place O here and then P. So you just need to type the spelling like this and just place it on the image like this. So if you need a bigger image, you can just make it as bigger. So first of all, place it like this and just choose everything. Just enlarge it like this and make it the center. Now just choose the video that you want to place. So here I'm just going to choose the video from here itself. You can see there's a lot of clips here. So I'm just going to use this clip. So just place it like just drop this video inside this. So you can only drop the video one by one for the text. So I just placed the video inside it, but I just need to place a single video like this. So you just need to crop this, double tap here and just place and just make this like just zoom it to the entire frame like this. Then same process just do for every clip, every text that you have been inserted the same video, so it look like a single video has been placed. So just zoom it, just place it to the frame, same last like I just doing like here. Okay, and just zoom to the end, then okay. So now you just can play this. You can see it's look like a single video is going on entire to the entire text. This is how you just create the video text effect. You can just upload your own video here and you can just place it here. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video and subscribe for more videos like this, and we will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.